I wanted to try this Madison Reed Touch Up hair product. It is great for sections like this when you're putting your hair in a pony or any thin spots. So let's open it and try it out. Ooh. Oh. Okay, this is what it looks like. It comes with the spoolie and little brush and also the thicker brush. So let's give it a try. Also, I did the color light brown because as you can see, I just dyed my roots darker, but they're pretty light brown, so. Ooh, hold please. Really gets in there. Look at that. Watch this. Oh, game freaking changer. If you are putting your hair in a pony, it really covers up those thin spots so naturally. Whoops. Yeah. All right, this is a total win. It comes in a ton of different colors. I'll link this. Let me know if you guys have any questions.